I'm going to show you now how to change the halogen, the brightfield lamp. So this one, I think the lifetime should be only 50 hours, but usually it's more than that. But if it breaks, like if there is no more light, of course the first thing you should check is that people have not closed the shutter or blah blah, and they've opened the eyepiece light. But if there is really no light, that means that the bulb is not working anymore, you need to change it. So for that, you can see the lamp is at the back here. You need to unscrew this box to take it out to remove the lamp. So you unscrew it and you hold it, of course, until you can remove it. So there are two screws, one here and one here. Okay, and then you take that out, and then here is the lamp, and you need to unplug it or plug it again. You shouldn't touch it with your fingers, the new one. The old one, it doesn't matter, you're going to throw it, but the new one, you shouldn't touch it with your filters not to leave any traces, so you need to use gloves. You just put that back, you screw again both screws. Okay, and then you put it back. Okay. So now you know all about changing the brightfield lamp. Just remember to not touch it with your bare fingers and make sure that it's cold enough so that you can touch it without burning yourself. Thanks for watching and work safely.